This is tutorial number 8 for Resource FE+. This tutorial will take you through the following tasks: resource plan directives in detail, updating objects, dropping objects. When we entered the resource directive in tutorial 3, we mentioned that you can define the directive to switch to another consumer group and showed how, if the process takes 200 seconds, then how to switch that process to another consumer group. Oracle provides greater functionality than this, and this tutorial will describe the functionality that is available. Let us go to the plans, the day plan, and look at the plan directives. Highlight plan directive on directory group. We can see that the switch group is the consumer group that the session will switch to in certain situations. The switch time, the time in seconds before the process switches to the switch group. 0 is unlimited. Switch I/O requests, the number of I/O requests that a session can issue before the process switches to the switch group. 0 is unlimited. Switch I/O megabytes, the amount of I/O in megabytes that a session can issue before the process switches to the switch group. 0 again is unlimited. Switch for call, if an action is taken due to switch time, switch I/O requests, or switch I/O megabytes, and the process switches, then when the call is completed it will switch back to the original consumer group if this is set to true. The default is false. Switch estimate, if true, then to estimate if the time will take longer than set in the switch time entry. The default is false. Active session pool, the maximum number of the consumer group sessions that are active concurrently. The default is unlimited. Queuing P1, the time in seconds that a session can remain inactive waiting to join the active session pool before timing out. The default is unlimited. Parallel degree limit, the maximum limit on the degree of parallelism for any process. The default is unlimited. Maximum estimated execution time, the maximum estimated execution time in seconds. If it is calculated that the process will exceed this, then the operation is not started. The default is unlimited. Maximum idle time, the maximum time that a process can remain inactive. The default is 0, which is unlimited. Maximum idle blocker time, the maximum time that a process can be idle and block another process from obtaining resources. The default is unlimited. Okay, what if we want to update one of the entries? First we need to create a pending area. Then to highlight the plan directive. Press pending area, create. Now go to the plans, day plan, directory group. Now we press the update button. Press parallel degree limit. Now enter 3. Now save. as you can see, the parallel degree limit has been set to 3. Now we need to validate the pending area. Yes. Okay. Now we submit the pending area. And if we look at plans, day plan, directory group, we see the parallel degree limit is now set to 3. Okay. The final task is dropping an object. First we need to create a pending area again. Confirmation yes. And go to the pending area, day plan, and highlight directory group and drop yes, and the directory groups have been removed from the pending area. Now we decide that we don't want to drop that, so we go to the pending area and we place clear. That removes everything from the pending area. Now you should understand the detail in resource plan directives, and also you should understand how to update and drop objects. This concludes the 8th tutorial.